Ayan, so andito na kami ngayon sa Tanawan and we already took some sample videos using the DJI Avata 360. Now just to let you know what this drone is all about, this is actually an Avata FPV drone. Pero instead of just simply using a single lens camera, it's using 360 camera. So think of it like Osmo 360 pero mounted on an FPV drone. So ito siya ngayon, no? And what we're going to do is we're going to give you guys a quick overview of how you fly this thing. And hopefully, makapagbigay kami ng medyo decente na mga footages using this latest drone by DJI. This will be available soon in the Philippines. So, gagawin namin is we're going to set this up here and then we'll fly and give you guys a quick look of what I see on this drone. Let's see. Okay, so fresh yung battery natin. We still have about 3 bars left. Kasama itong mat na to, no? Landing mat na to, if you guys get the new DJI Avata 360. Of course, kasama rin itong bag na to with the batteries and all. And you can buy or use goggles N3 or the goggles 3 and also this controller, which is the FPV controller. So let's see. There you go. Yan. And what we do is we're going to double tap this button right here. Yung si Koke, nakita nyo. And we're going to hit the record button. Okay. And lilipad tayo. So far, okay naman. Walang interference sa taas. And we're going to hit record and fly. There you go. What's good about this is that the sensors are all around the body of the FPV drone, which is good, no? And if you want to fly your drone safely, no, this is probably what you want on a drone. And I can control yung mismong drone itself by using the controller, and I can look at what the drone can see by just looking around, because this one has I have the FPV goggles, no? And I'm recording this now, 38 seconds in. I can go down. I can, as you can see, yung mismong pinakakamay ko, I'm just simply controlling the drone with the FPV controller. Now using goggles 3 or goggles N3, no, you have of course the first person view or perspective of what the drone can see, no? And how do I edit this later on? No, you can record using single lens or 360 lens. In this case, I'm recording using 360 lens because later on I will be able to edit the video using DJI Studio o kaya naman ay DJI Mimo on my mobile device, which is good, no? And it is safe, at least for me, because I have, at least kitang-kita ko lahat at pwede ko i-edit yung video later on kung anong view yung gusto kong gawin. And I can just simply freely record everything na gusto kong makita, and then later on, I have better way to be able to edit my footages using DJI Studio or DJI Mimo. 2 minutes in, and as you can see, no, I can see all of these things using the Avata 360. I have better view of that. I can maybe shoot a video, or maybe when I edit it, yun ang iwaging focus ko. Ang bilis ng drone na to, no? And let's see, nandun na tayo sa may left side na yon. We're gonna go there. Parang naka-sport mode to ko, ya. And right now, we'll try to attempt to... Oh, look at that. Whoa! Grabe, ang precise niya. And that's me. And then I'm going to land it now. Nasa baba na siya. Oop! Okay, baba natin. Ha? Ito pa ng konti. Hop. Alright, that's me. Let's go. Woo. Konti pa? Oh! Naglalanda siya. Okay. Pwede na rin. So that's how you fly. I mean, I'm a beginner, but at least kahit paano, nakapaglipad-lipad ako nito. Again, hindi naman kailangan na sobrang pro ka pagdating sa pagpalipad ng drone. And I think that's what DJI has done in the past, no? With DJI Neo, DJI Flip, no? Pinapadali nila yung paggamit ng drone sa lahat ng mga tao. And this is what I really like about this. Intimidating lang siya kasi you have the goggles 3, you have the FPV controller. Pero here's a video of Coco, flying it, and it's not even a pro FPV drone flyer as well, no? Or drone pilot. And I really do like this. I highly recommend this. And syempre, since nag-drop na to, if you're not into getting a 360 FPV drone, then you can invest on getting an Avata 2 if you want to. FPV rin naman siya, or better yet, if you want something even cheaper, get a Neo 2, no? And then later on, get a goggles N3. And then later on, get an FPV controller. Kasi yon, you'll be able to control it like an FPV drone rather, and that gives you or opens you to more ways to be able to create content. This has been Gian of Gadget Pilipinas. I'll catch you in the next video.